Hey everyone, welcome back to our new error video. If someone send an image on your WhatsApp and it doesn't appear in your gallery, then how to fix this? In this video I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. First, when you are facing this problem, then long press on your WhatsApp and go to the app info. Now go to the permissions and click on the photos and video and check allow or not. If it is not allow, then allow it. And then the second step is open your WhatsApp app and click on the profile and scroll down and click on the media visibility and check it is yes or not. If it click no, then click on yes and ok. After doing this step, check the problem. If it is persist, then next is go to the file manager of your mobile phone and click on the internal storage and click the Android folder and then click on the media and then click on the whatsapp.com, click on it and click on media. Now scroll down and go to the and click on the image and click on the private or send and check if no media file show in your folder, then delete it and again check the problem. So by this way you can fix the problem. I hope this video is for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe error code channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.